Sparky's short monologue.
Well, if it's your birthday, happy birthday! And many wishes! Okay, is it just me, or this screen doesn't look right?
Oh,
Wow.
she's got professional talent.
Conscience, please tell me, is it my fault? Because of something that I did or something that I said in front of my family and friends that was awkward to them? Or is it I'm repeating myself? But I know that's just to get me down on myself all over again. I just wish we do great and astounding stuff together, day by day and night by night. You guys know what I mean? Seriously, let's all be at peace and favor.
Hey there, cartoon fans! I'm the announcer guy. If you love cartoons, then you'll enjoy this band called the Blue Songbirds. Mordecai, Morty Mouse.
Hi guys, do you have keys?
Sharpie Guy.
Hi there. High five?
These weasels, Bobby, Dougie, and Gramps.
Whoa, y'all!
The Black Sox Fox.
Yeah, see?
This chicken dude. And these guys, this Cantus and this Tibbleweed.
We'll have you do, burgers.
That's right. We got library cartoons, we got newspaper cartoons, and we got single panel cartoons, magazine cartoons, and all of that stuff. So there's more wherever that came from. So stay tuned.
Unexpected funny lines. I will stay tuned.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, was I talking to you?
Maybe, Mr. Kitty Whiskers. Maybe you're not. To Mr. Fry, Mistress Hamburg, and Cola.
Okay, Ball, you're talking about food in a time like this?
What?
I'm just saying. Ooh, Fruity Julies.
Fruities.
Let's eat 'em!
Hey kids and adults, eat healthy and stay safe.
G'day, folks.